I said a couple of weeks ago, Lewis, that Ben Carson in second place in the Republican primary might actually be scarier than Donald Trump in first place. And it has gotten way worse because Ben Carson in one poll has now taken a narrow lead over Donald Trump nationally. According to the latest New York Times CBS News survey released today, Ben Carson is garnering 26% support from Republican primary voters, and Donald Trump in second place now with 22%. Donald Trump has been leading for months. Since the end of July, Donald Trump has been leading every Republican primary poll, and now he is in second place. Rand Paul, Ted Cruz, and John Kasich and Mike Huckabee, they're each at 4% support. I mean, just paltry, non-factors right now. This is just one data point, Lewis. Donald Trump is still in first place in some polls, but this is amazing.
It's strange. I mean, I guess if Donald Trump can be in first, Ben Carson can be in first.
Sure.
Yeah, that makes sense. And I just think that if he were to become the nominee, he's just going to get completely destroyed in the debates, right?
Oh, I believe so. And I want to talk about that. But before we get into that, there was an interesting question in this poll, which shows us the fluidity with which we need to understand these numbers. 7 out of 10 who expressed support for a candidate in this poll, right? 70% of those who said, well, right now I favor this person, said it's actually too early to tell for sure who they would support. So presumably 70% roughly of those who say they support Donald Trump aren't yet sure that they will ultimately vote for Donald Trump. 70% of those who say that they support Ben Carson right now aren't sure that they will ultimately vote for Ben Carson. So that, I think, is one of the most telling elements of this poll, which is, yeah, Republicans, given the option of picking someone, they will pick someone, but they're not really feeling too strongly about that individual.
Yeah, but to me, it doesn't sound like any of the other candidates would still have a chance, right? It sounds like the majority of support is going to Donald Trump and Ben Carson, and that the people supporting Trump or the people supporting Carson might switch. But it doesn't sound like Jeb is in the mix. I think he's out.
Yeah, I mean, it's incredible to me, the deterioration of Jeb Bush's campaign, and we're going to be following up on that tomorrow before the next Republican debate. Donald Trump came out strong, demonizing Hispanics, rallying the nativist, xenophobic contingent. But now it seems that Ben Carson's deadpan delivery and Holocaust comparisons are really resonating with some in the Republican Party. I hope that Republicans understand that Ben Carson and Donald Trump would be thoroughly and handily embarrassed in an election debate, in a general election debate. They cannot debate on policy, Hillary Clinton or Bernie Sanders. And I don't know if all Republican voters are understanding what an embarrassment that would be to the party.
I guess they'll just have to see it when it happens. I hope, Dave. This is what I've been saying the whole time. I hope it's Ben Carson or it's Donald Trump on that stage.
Well, lots of Democrats agree with you, Lewis. They think that it would be the best possible thing. But we always have to be cautious because things can get crazy and a lunatic could win. You never know. And having a crazy candidate up there is not always a guarantee that you're going to lose.